Good morning. This is your AI News Bulletin for March 6, 2026. Headlines. OpenAI has released GPT-5.4, their most capable model yet, with major advances in autonomous agent capabilities, coding, and tool selection. The Pentagon has formally labeled Anthropic a supply chain risk, triggering a major standoff between the AI safety company and the Department of Defense. Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei has issued a public statement and returned to negotiations. New research shows AI tools can now unmask anonymous online accounts by analyzing writing patterns and behavioral signatures, a significant privacy concern for Reddit outs, Finstas, and whistleblower accounts. Netflix is acquiring Ben Affleck's AI startup Interpositive, despite losing the Warner Brothers bidding war. An investigation reveals Meta's AI-powered smart glasses have been sending sensitive user footage to human reviewers in Nairobi, Kenya, raising privacy concerns. ByteDance Seedance 2.0 AI video model faces major challenges with compute capacity constraints and copyright complaints, hampering their AI ambitions. Apple Music has introduced optional AI transparency labels for songs and visuals created with artificial intelligence. Wired reports the Pentagon tested OpenAI's models through Microsoft before OpenAI lifted its military use prohibition, despite the company's ban on defense applications. OpenAI published new research showing reasoning models struggle to control their chains of thought, which researchers say is actually good for AI safety and monitorability. OpenAI announces new educational tools, certifications, and measurement resources to help schools close AI capability gaps. Deep dives. At timestamp 1 minute 15 seconds, GPT 5.4 represents OpenAI's biggest push yet toward autonomous AI agents. The company describes it as their most capable and efficient frontier model for professional work, with state-of-the-art performance in coding, computer use, and tool selection. This release comes alongside a detailed system card for GPT 5.4 thinking, highlighting OpenAI's continued focus on extended reasoning capabilities. Industry analysts see this as direct competition with Anthropic's Claude agent capabilities, and a signal that 2026 will be the year autonomous agents move from experimental to production deployments. The model is specifically optimized for professional workflows, suggesting OpenAI is targeting enterprise automation use cases. At timestamp 2 minutes 30 seconds, the Anthropic-Pentagon conflict has escalated dramatically. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth formally designated Anthropic as a supply chain risk, effectively blocking the company from defense contracts. This follows earlier tensions over Anthropic's AI safety stance and reluctance to engage in military applications. CEO Dario Amodei responded with a public statement titled, "Where Things Stand with the Department of War," notably using the department's pre-1947 name. Sources say Amodei is now back at the negotiating table attempting to salvage the relationship, but the company faces a difficult choice between its AI safety principles and access to government contracts. The situation is further complicated by revelations that the Pentagon was already testing OpenAI technology through Microsoft, bypassing OpenAI's own military use restrictions. This raises questions about how effectively AI companies can actually control dual-use applications of their technology. At timestamp 3 minutes 45 seconds, privacy advocates are alarmed by new research demonstrating AI's ability to unmask anonymous online accounts. The technology analyzes writing patterns, word choice, sentence structure, and behavioral signatures to connect pseudonymous accounts to real identities. This has serious implications for Reddit alt accounts, secret Twitter profiles, Finsta accounts, and particularly for whistleblowers on platforms like Glassdoor who criticize employers anonymously. The research shows these AI tools can achieve high accuracy even with limited training data. Security researchers warn this could chill free speech and whistleblowing, as the assumption of anonymity online may no longer hold. Some are calling for new legal protections and technical countermeasures, though it's unclear how effective those would be against increasingly sophisticated AI analysis. This is Scooby, your AI news assistant.